name's Hillary Mulick and I'm a wedding photographer based in the Carolinas. Welcome back to another episode on my YouTube channel. I love using this channel to share education about photography and business, and this week's topic, I'm going to be talking about my favorite planner for daily and weekly planning. And it's a new planner that I just started using and I absolutely love it, and so I wanted to share it with you guys. So there are a lot of ways that people like to organize their daily and weekly, monthly, annual tasks. If you've followed along on my channel for a while, you've probably seen a few videos about my planning calendars. I'll post a little picture of them right here. That is how I plan my year and my quarters. And when I have those goals that I have set for the year and then for certain quarters, certain months, I love to break down those goals into smaller tasks so that it makes those big goals more achievable, right? So I have tried to use a variety of different ways to do daily and weekly planning. And my favorite thing to do, this is what works for me, it may not work for you, but what works for me is writing things down. Now, if I am just brainstorming and thinking about long-term goals and big things that I want to accomplish, I love using online planners such as my Trello boards, or even just opening up my notes app and just writing down these thoughts so that I can go back to them in the future. But when it comes to daily and weekly tasks, I love being able to write things down. I love being able to cross things off. That's the Enneagram 3 in me, is I'm very goal-oriented and I just feel very satisfied when I can write down some tasks and prioritize my top few and then be able to cross them out. Just so satisfying. If you are the same, you should comment down below and let me know. So I recently, well, not recently, but this past few years, I've been going through some different planners, and ultimately I just found the best way for me to plan daily or even my week is just by writing things down on like a notepad, which isn't very organized until I discovered this new planner. It's from Ink and Volt, and basically it is a weekly planner that you write out your whole week, and then you can break it down into daily tasks. You can organize it however it's best for you. It also has a habit tracker on there, which is really great because I have some things that I'm working on in my personal life that I'm trying to make habits daily. So the habit tracker is really great for me, and I just love this planner so much. And I just wanted to share it with you and just show you a little bit on how I use it. So this is the planner right here. It's called the Dashboard Planner by Ink and Volt. I will put the link down in the description below. And basically, it doesn't have dates on it, which I really like because all of my weeks are very different, and I just hated having planners that had dates because I just felt, some weeks I didn't accomplish anything, and those were those dates that I didn't accomplish anything. So I really like using this planner because it does not have any dates on it. I can just fill it in week by week on, when I am wanting to get a lot of work done and to cross a lot of things off my to-do list. So let me show you how I use it. Okay, so here is what a blank page looks like. Up here in the top corner, you can put what week it is. There is also a weekly theme and highlights. So I like to write out just different things that I have scheduled for that whole week so that when I'm making my daily tasks or even things that I want to get done for the week, I can keep this all in mind of the things that I have on my schedule for that week. Then you have different checklists that you can do. And the first 3 things on each of the checklists are a different color. So that is supposed to be your top priority stuff. And then you put your top priorities for the week in those little boxes up there. But basically, I like to make a couple different categories. I like to do a business category of all the things I want to get done in my business that week. I'll do a personal category of just personal things that I'm trying to get done, like grocery shopping, or if I need to remember to order something, or just special things. There is also just a blank space right here that you can use to do whatever you wish on. And then one of my favorite things that I've not seen in other planners is it also has a daily tracker on here, and it has Monday through Sunday, which is great. So I like to track things like how many times I exercise that week. And it just helps me really stay on track with my goals. So let me switch to the previous page, which is the week that I'm currently working on. Now, here is the week of December 18th through the 21st. These were just some things that I had on my schedule for that week, or for this week. Right here is HMP, Hillary Mulick Photography. So those are things that I'm trying to get done in my business this week. So planning for my YouTube, filming it, editing it. These are some things that I want to blog, creating a blogging calendar for January, just trying to get some things in my business done before the holidays. Here are just some home things that I was just, getting out of my head. I like to do brain dumps at the beginning of the week, and this is a great way to do that. So things such as, doing things in the yard, or ordering things, grocery shopping, making some returns that I needed to do. And then here are just some daily trackers that I'm working on right now. So I'm currently working with a nutritionist, which I've really enjoyed. I've been working with her for the past 2 months. This is the days that I've been able to hit my calorie goals, which has been really awesome. Days I've been able to work out, which has been awesome. So this just planner for my whole week, and then be able to break it up into different tasks and different days, has just been super, super helpful in helping me meet my quarterly and annual goals. So if you feel like you are struggling with achieving your goals, I love the calendar system of being able to look at my calendar in my office of everything that I want to accomplish that year, and then break it up into different quarters. A quarter is 3 months. So being able to look and see what I want to accomplish that quarter. But if you are having trouble getting beyond that and being able to accomplish those long-term goals, and you feel like you need a good planning system to be able to do that, I definitely recommend this calendar system. Being able to look at your week as a whole and look at all the tasks that you want to do that week. Just kind of do a brain dump at the beginning of the week. Write down everything that you want to do, maybe things you need to get done personally, things that you want to get done in your business that week. Like I said, I love the habit tracker at the bottom so that you can start making some new habits in your life. And this is definitely a great tool that is going to help you achieve those long-term goals in your personal and your professional life. If there are some other things in your business that you're having trouble organizing, or you're just not finding the right education out there for you, I highly recommend reaching out to me for a mentoring session. I offer those through my website. We can do it through video chat if you don't live near me. If you do, we can meet in person. We can do, there's lots of different varieties of lengths and different services that I offer with mentoring sessions. I will leave the link down in the description below. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you again next week for another YouTube episode. Bye, guys.